makabalikan, maging bahagi ng mundo. Salamat, salamat, taus-pusong pasasalamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RTN. Hindi malilimutan ating pinagdaanan, ating pinagsamahan, sa hirap at ginhawa, sa lungkot at saya. Salamat, salamat, salamat sa RTN.
Radio Philippines Network, DZRL Batak, DZKI Iriga, DYKB Bacolod, DYKC Cebu, DXKS Surigao, DXKO Cagayan de Oro, DXXX Zamboanga, DXKD Dipolo, DXKT Davao, DXDX General Santos, RPN Radio Philippines Network.
RPN Radio Philippines Network. Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga. Member, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
Mga karonda, madangog na sa programa Bareta Asin Platika, Makonsuelo. Talagang kakaiba. Bareta Asin Platika.
Ang oras na ini, dara po sa Indo kan Losenya Electrical Supply para po sa madikalidad na electrical product. Day po kalingawan, Losenya Electrical Supply. Losenya Electrical Supply, madaling makukuha, aranisa na sa Barangay Hall kan San Francisco, Iriga City. On and managed by Engineer Meneleo Losenya.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng M. Luelier, Pera Padala.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS Tatapon, makapun sa choy, walang amoy kulong, kapit sabay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Tatapon, makapun sa choy, walang amoy kulong, kapit sabay sa loob. Makapun sa Charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS, kung madumi man siya, hello bright bar blue, isang labanan yan, bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Kung madumi man siya, hello bright bar blue, isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton sa mancha, malupit sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, ikaw ba'y sigurado? Ikaw ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay
99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Tubod ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hali sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo!
Smart to.
Smart dishwashing paste ko!
Smart to.
Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Ano kayan? Pag Smart ang Dishwashing Paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ng sebo, asin bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste!
Heavy duty linig, kada pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang.
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Max protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya. In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid. White rose papaya, wow, white roses. White rose papaya, wow, white roses. White rose papaya. May glow up with the white rose papaya.
Sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puting power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Wow, wow, by the power of two.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Free senior high school? Yes, free! Only at Sigara Technological Colleges. No tuition fee. Covered by the SHS Vouchers Program. Free uniform. Free PE uniform, free school ID, and even free transportation within Nabwa, Bato, Mountain Unit, Iriga City proper, and Baao. That's right! Quality education with less gastos for your family, either being a student taking the academic track or technical professional track. Enjoy quality training facilities, dedicated and caring teachers, a safe and supportive campus environment. Dito sa Sigara, libre na. Di kalidad pa ang edukasyon. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now at Sigara Technological Colleges Senior High School. Bring your dreams. We'll take care of the rest. Classes starts on June 15, 2026. Be one of us. Be a Citizen Senior High School. Your future career starts with the right choice. Take the next step at Sigara Technological Colleges, your partner in achieving academic excellence and professional success. Offering competitive degree program like Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food Service Management, Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communications Technology. At CTC, you don't just earn a degree, you gain industry-relevant skills, hands-on experience, leadership training, and a strong foundation for your career. Sigara prepared me not just to graduate, but to succeed in the real world. Be part of a college that builds leaders, innovators, leaders and professionals. Enroll now at Sigera Technological Colleges. Visit our campus or connect with us online today by visiting and messaging our official Facebook page. Enrollment is ongoing. Classes starts for the first semester of academic year 2026-2027 is on August 17, 2026. This is the Sigera Technological Colleges. Knowledge, skills, and discipline. Sa inman na sulukan ring kunada, Asin Bicolandia, nakatutok na sa mga Bareta Asin Platika.